Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Adla May, ang tropang mahilig sa mga biglaang lakwatsa. This road trip going to Nagcarlan Forest Resort in Laguna.
Oh wow! Na pababa, slowly. Agapay sa brake. Yan, touchdown kami dito sa Nagcarlan Forest Resort. Ayan, ang ganda dito guys.
Amid lush rainforest in the foothills of Mount Banahaw, this modest resort is 3 km from the landmark Nagcarlan Underground Cemetery and 22 km from Intercity Bus Station in Santa Cruz. Nagcarlan Forest Resort is a secret gem in Nagcarlan, Laguna. It is 43 kilometers or 1.5 hour drive from Calamba. Ayan, si Kuya Receptionist, dala-dala yung iba naming mga gamit. Sinusundan namin si Kuya Receptionist papunta sa accommodation na pinabuk namin.
Naliligo na! Sarap ng babad mo dyan ah! Saan yung sa inyo?
Ayun!
Sila ate.
Kasi ito tayo. Magkalapit lang naman pala. Kaya guys, ito yung aming room. Ang ganda oh, cute. Maliit lang siya pero nice naman.
Dito. Ay, yung bathroom.
Kaya natin yung bathroom. Kaya natin yung bathroom.
Ganda.
Ayun yung bathroom nila. Medyo ay nasa labas yung bathroom. Kaya na. Nice naman. Malinis yung ano nila. May shower pa. Oh.
For overnight, they have free breakfast, towels and toiletries, fully air-conditioned room with LED TV, additional 900 pesos per head for adults and 700 pesos per kids. Free use of swimming pools and batis. Ayan, this is the view outside our accommodation. Ayan, tara, ikot tayo guys.
Ganda.
Tingnan mo dyan, batis.
Batis dito? Ay, oo nga. Ay, naku naman. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda. Meron din silang exit papunta dito sa ayan, Batis.
So, akit ako ng hagdan. Titingnan natin kung ano yung meron dun sa taas. Ayan, meron ditong gazebo. Ayan. Try natin pumasok dito sa kanilang gazebo. Ayan, may ilaw pa. Off mo anak yung light. Nandiyan sa may ano mo. Ayan, hindi na nila kayang i-ano. Ayan, doon sa taas. Sa taas namin. This place is so relaxing. You will experience a very peaceful and exclusive ambience. How I wish I bring the drone to take the drone shot. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Medyo malayo nga lang at saka angkitid talaga ng daan. Pero pag narating mo na itong lugar, wow! At dahil malaki nga yung lugar, marami siyang lusutan, marami siyang hagdan, tapos kahit saan ka pumunta, hindi mo kailangang bumalik kung saan ka nanggaling kasi lusutan siya. Merong, yun, mga pababa, maraming hagdan, papunta doon, paakyat, pababa, ayan. Perfect talaga tong place na to to relax, bonding with families, at enjoy with nature. Ito yung isa sa kanilang female public CR. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Tara, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron dito. Aha, there's also accommodation here for overnight. Look at that oh. Nice. Ayun yung mga nipahat for day tour. It ranges from 2,000 to 3,500.
Hello.
Siyempre. Welcome to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Ito yung kanilang restaurant. So nice. Hanggang anong oras po dito open?
Ano ma'am, ang last order po namin is 7 p.m. ma'am.
7 p.m. yung dinner, ano?
Apo.
Sige po.
They offer an excellent view, clean pools, and the staff are very accommodating and friendly. Did you hear that? Anywhere you go, you will hear the sounds of the river. Nice. Okay, for me, one of the best and cleanest spring resort we've visited. A truly hidden gem of Laguna and must visit by any kind of traveler. Reservation is a must and required so you can have a room's preferred. They have a great pools for any ages. They also have very cute accommodation like this one for overnight, and this one is Casitas, worth 4,000 pesos, good for 2 person. Nagcarlan Forest Resort is a truly a jewel to find. Its place is not easy to locate because it is surrounded by jungle and has narrow roads. But don't get discouraged by this as it is truly worth it in the end. On this side naman, you can have a bonfire. Except the pool, you can also enjoy the Batis or river.
Ayun. Meron din silang exit papunta dito sa Batis. Ayan. Ayan talaga yung nature ko. Wow. Meron pang Hawaiian na bangka. Ay, gusto ko yan.
The water is not too deep and is safe for kids, but you need to wear slippers for stepping on the rocks. They have a private access to a portion of the Batis with cold spring mineral waters. They created a mini dam to elevate the water level and provide a waterfall effect. the next day.
Okay na mami, hindi na siya ganun hindi na siya ganun kalamig kanina. Ang warm. Hindi katulad doon sa ibaba.
Punta tayo sa pang kids.
The place is a good escape for those wanting to be away from the busy noise of the city and be one with nature. Water is freezing cold and is crystal clear. The entire place, including the rooms and bathrooms, are kept clean too. And because the place is so big, family outing, group of friends, or team building can accommodate here.
Camping.
Team building.
Team building.
Hello guys, good morning! Andito ulit kami para i-avail yung aming free breakfast. Yay! Surprisingly, the food is actually quite good, featuring Nagcarlan specialties, Filipino food, and some Japanese comfort food.
Ito yung pang kids pool nila. Another one. Ito yung malalim. 6 feet. Yan. 6 feet. Saka iba yung pool nila dito. Ayun, parang may touch ng nature. Ayan. Sobrang ganda. Tingsin mo tayo dito.
Ay, malaki.
Next. Ganda dito, promise.
Oh, 6 feet dito, huy! Nagcarlan Forest Resort is a forest resort with natural spring waters flowing from Mount Banahaw. You can bat in the Batis itself amidst the wild forest of the 4 different kinds of pools collecting the cold spring waters.
Hi! Magsama kami ni Pim. Ni Pim! Hi!
Parang naririnig ko yung boses ni Marco dito. Ayun, oh. Lumipat sila. Ayan, Nagcarlan Forest Resort. Ayan. Ilang feet dito?
Ilang feet daw? Dito wala yan. 6 feet? 5 feet?
Dito 4 feet pala kasi abot pa ni Marco eh.
Unless kapag nandito na.
Hi! Welcome to my channel!
Hi! Welcome to my channel!
We are here now at
Nagcarlan!
Nagcarlan.
Happy? Happy? Happy!
Happy Shalala!
Happy Shalala!
Kaya ka talaga.
Happy Shalala!
Hey, you're alone there.
Ang masasabi ko guys, highly recommended yung Nagcarlan Forest Resort.
Like and subscribe! Hey! Hi!
Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe! Bye!
For Nagcarlan!
Okay. Thanks for watching! See you in the next one! Ayan, ikot muna ulit tayo. Isa ito sa mga high-end accommodation dito sa resort.
Itutur ko po kayo sa isa sa mga kanilang mga day tour cottages. Ayan. Malaki siya. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung presyo nito, pero meron sila dito mga cottages na around 5,000 pesos or, 3,500 pesos. Sige, try natin umakyat sa kanilang day tour cottages. Wala yung mga nag-a-assist, so tayo na lang bahalang magtingin. Ayan. Open natin yung door. Ayan. Isa siyang malaking ganito. Ayan. Sobrang parang sinauna siya. Classic. So, nice. Tapos, kanilang napakalaking window. Ayan. Ang makikita. Swimming pool for kids. Ayan. Yung mga cottages nila na mga pang overnight nila yung mga yun.
Really nice here, guys. J9 said 100% over average. This resort worth what you paid for. Other resort, not.
Wala, pwedeng galaw. Sa gitna na ako.
Hindi pa, medyo sir ka pa ng konti dito. Yan, gitna ka.
Ayan, meron din sila dito, maliit na store. Ayan. Uy, may red horse. Tsaka, Coke. Ayan, sa maliit na store. Walang shampoo. Ayan, punta ka dito.
You again?
Ayan, siguro siya yung may-ari.
Siya ang may-ari, ganyan ang mukha.
Kaya, dito naman kami ngayon sa Batis. Ayan, sasakay kami sa balsa. Kita ka na. Bakit nalubog yan?
Ano eh, parang tak naman, pero nalublog.
Hi guys, pumunta ako doon sa may Agos. Hi guys! Swimming again!
All I can say, this place is so relaxing. You will experience a very peaceful and exclusive ambience. One thing that I admire is the service they provide is very good and quick. The place is well maintained and super clean.
Ayan, papunta kami ni Leia sa mag-check out na kami. Bayad muna kami ng mga bills, baka makatakas kami eh. Pero pwede naman nating hakutin yung mga gamit. Ayan, ito yung mga tent for day tour. Ayan, ang dami dito. Ayan, merong kubo. Ito muna kami sa kanilang
Cute na
office. Cute na office. At with nyo ba? Oh, ha?
Check out bigay mo?
Check out po.
Ano pong group nyo?
Say hi! Apa? Ayan. Kayong bahay yan. Hindi naman yung bahay ni Rizal.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for the latest notification update. See you in the next one.